Hi children, welcome back to our English class. Today I am going to explain about language skills. What are those language skills? In this punctuation, in that punctuation also what we have now, what we are going to learn? Capital letter and full stop. Capital letter and full stop. So this is about punctuation and one more aspect, that is writing part. So you have to imagine how like a toy, okay, came alive, how like you have to be share with your views like that. That is also writing part we have. So coming to our language part, language skills, what we have to know first? Punctuation. What is punctuation, dear? First we have to know what is mean by punctuation. Actually, we are writing sentences, no? So first letters, next words, next sentences. While we are writing, we have to convey the correct meaning to others. So we are using these punctuation marks. So what is mean by punctuation? Actually here, what is this? Putting marks. So first practice. We have to do practice. First practice putting marks. Practice of putting marks such as, what are those? Such as capital letters, okay, commas, apostrophes, full stop, all of those. So these all, not only capital letters, commas and full stop, and etc. Not only these, so many are there in that punctuation marks. So what are those? Punctuation means practice of putting marks. What are those marks? Capital letters. For example, alphabets, as we know that A to Z. These all are capital letters. So A to Z means only A and Z? No. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So from A to Z, all how many letters are there? 26 alphabets, capital letters. Okay, that is. And commas. For example, we are giving pause. We stop there a little. We stop little and continue that sentence. Then we are using comma. Then we are using commas and full stop. We completed that statement. So sentence. Then what we have to use? Comma. What is that? For example, for capital letters. In capital letters, what we have to use here while we are writing in punctuations? Capital letters means we want to first we want to learn 5 rules. So those 5 rules we can learn means we can write where we have to use. We can write those capital letters in that particular sentence, and we can know that where we have to use those capital letters. Yes children? Yes. Now coming to rules where we have to write. So in our topic today, in our textbook, only capital letters and full stop. So first we are talking about capital letters. So as we know that how many capital letters are there? A to Z, all capital letters, no? How many are there? 26. So where we have to use? First rule. We have to use proper nouns. Whenever we are writing proper nouns. Ma'am, what is mean by proper noun? In proper noun in the means So that is name of a person, name of a place, name of a person, place. Those even street also something we are living in some street, specify that. So we can use that where that is capital letters. And to begin sentence, we are starting we are writing a sentence. So starting letter should be capital. That is second rule. And third one is, whenever we are using names of films like film Bahubali, and books, the tale of Peter Rabbit, we know that, no? That is like the tale of Peter Rabbit. It is a book. And not only that, even though days and months, names of days and months. Weekend, how many days we have in a week? 7 days. So in that those 7 days we have to use first letter capital. And months, how many months we have in a year? How many months? 12 months. So these 12 months names of these 12 months, starting letter, that is capital only. And one more thing is, when we are using I, particularly I, whenever we are using I, that is individually we are talking about that particularly in that sentence, means we can use I capital only. I capital only. Yes, coming to first rule. To begin sentence. To begin sentence means sentence, whatever sentence is there, we are writing. For example, you can say that Lata is my friend. Okay, Lata is my friend. This is over. So sentence is over. So what is the first letter? Capital. And one more. We are continuing also that she is my cousin. Okay, you can write or else cousin, or else you can write relative. You can write anything. So maybe she is your cousin or relative. You are talking about her. So what you are writing? She. So starting of the sentence is capital. Starting of the sentence, the letter should be capital. The letter should be capital. This is one sentence. This is another sentence. Is it clear to you? So whenever you begin sentence, first letter should be capital. That is the first rule. And second rule is names of people means. Names of people means, what's your name? For example, your name is Raghu. So R capital. And place names. So you can take place names. Names of places. You can take any place. For example, places I am taking because I want to give 2 examples here. Now we are living in Pragati Nagar, no? So this is Pragati Nagar. This is one name. And another name, Tenali. That is also one place name. Yes, Tenali. So like Pragati Nagar and Tenali. So these are 2 places. So people, places and languages. Can I hear? Yes. And languages. Here, second only, names of languages. Names of languages in the sense, we are Telugu people now. So Telugu. And some of them Hindi. They know that languages. Sanskrit. These are all languages. So whenever we are talking about language, first letter should be capital. This is the second rule. And nationality. And nationality. What is nationality? Names of nationality. Nationalities. Nationalities means, for example, who are you means they say, we are saying I am an Indian. I am an Indian. Some of them belongs to another country. Sweden. That Swedish. Swedish. Who's that? Swedish. And another you can Russian. So we are talking about their nationality. So first letter should be capital. This is about second rule. First rule is to begin sentence with capital letter, and second rule is names of people, names of languages, and names of nationalities, and names of places. Is it clear, dear? Yes. Coming to third one. Third rule. What is the third rule? For days. So days and months. Days and months. How many days in a week? 7 days, no? All 7 days we can write in starting with capital. For example, Monday. Okay, Tuesday. Like you can write all days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. These. And months. How many months we have in a year? 12 months, no? Starting with January. January, February. See here, dear. Maybe you are confusing first one. Why you are writing? You can write anything. Not only first. You can write any month. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These all are starting with, what is the rule here? Starting with that month, capital letter only. Is it clear to you? Yes. This is third rule. And coming to fourth rule. Names of films. Names of, what is the fourth rule is? Yes. Here, fourth rule is names of films. Okay. And books. Names of films and books. Coming to names of films. Which movie do you like most? Maybe most probably Bahubali. Yes or no? Yes, Bahubali. So, what is that? What is that here? Capital letter only now, starting with capital letter. And books. Here we have completed in our first lesson. What is that? The Tale of Peter Rabbit. The Tale of Peter Rabbit. See here, dear. Already Peter is a name of that rabbit, no? So I wrote the starting. So that is, I wrote the Tale of Peter Rabbit. This is R, dear. So this is name of film and this is name of book. Examples. Those are examples for you. And coming to fourth rule of, this is fifth rule now. Yes. What is fifth one here? While you are writing about yourself, what you have to do? First, I am anyone. For example, I am taking like this. I am Sunita. Okay, I am Sunita. So what happened here? I capital. Starting sentence is there, no? To begin the sentence, even you can write always I in capital only. Okay. If it is middle also, you have to be write capital only. I am Sunita and I like. See here middle only, no? Continuation. I like sweets. I like sweets. Dear small only. I like sweets. and sweets and fruits. You can continue. Fruits. I am Sunita. I like sweets and fruits. I. So after this sentence, starting with capital letter, even though it is right, we are writing I, and particularly middle of the sentence, in between that sentences, also you have to be used capital. You have to be right in capitals. Why? We are talking about I. Individually we focused on that. So I. So I individually have the capability. So I can do everything. That's what I always capital. Wherever you have to be right in your sentences, okay, or you are talking about anything that is rule. These are the rules of what is that rules? These are rules of capital letters. These are the rules of capital letters. Yes, coming to another punctuation, that is full stop. What is that? Full stop. Dear, full stop means what? This is full stop. Dot. This dot is known as full stop. Where we have to use end of the sentence. Whenever that sentence completed, then we can use full stop. For example, you are saying about yourself or your friend, okay, that this is my book. Here full stop. Here full stop. So starting sentence T. You can see here T is capital, and here completed that sentence. So what we have to use here? Full stop. This is, and you can write, maybe you can say I am Sunita already here gave, so I am Sarita. You can take this one, even I capital full stop. This is known as in our language skills punctuations. Is it clear to you? Hope you understand, children. Now coming to our writing part. Yes dear, first you have to be see in your punctuation, language skills, capital letter and full stop. Already what we have to rules. There, those rules only here there. First remember that we use a capital letter to begin a sentence for names of people, places, languages and nationalities, for days and months, for names of villains and books. When we use I to talk about ourselves, we have to always keep write the I in capital, and we use full stop at the end of the sentence. At the end of a sentence. Here add capital letters and full stops to the following sentences. Whenever you are reading this, then they gave a small task for you. They gave here my name is examples. This is exercise for you. First sentence is my name is Raj. They gave small dear. They gave like this. They gave like this. But what is our rule? Starting sentence capital, and we are talking about the person. So name of the person, what you have to write? Name of the people, capital. So this is our, then what you have to use? Full stop. What you have to use? Full stop. Is it clear? Yes. Second one is I live in India. This is answer. What they gave? I live in India. They gave like that. No commas, no. Sorry, here Delhi, not India. Yes, Delhi they gave. So what you have to use? Delhi they gave. So no commas, no capital letters, nothing, no full stop. But whenever you are writing, this is the correct one. Is it clear? Now you have 4 more sentences, total 6 sentences. This is about punctuation. Yes, coming to your writing part. See here, dear. Yes, this is about your writing part. See, imagine that your favorite toy comes to life. What happens next? Answer the questions. What is your favorite toy called? You can give your wish. That is your wish. You can give any name. What would you say to it? What you called that? First, what is the toy name? Next, what you give a name to them. Okay, and would it be helpful to you? Yes or no? That is optional. Yeah, answer. Would you teach it what is right and what is wrong? Did the toy teach you? Would you tell anyone about it? Did you say anyone to your ever about your toy? Did you say anyone? Do you say anyone? So this is about if you have a toy, that toy comes life. This is about that. Then next task is write a story about your toy coming to life. Use these words or your own ideas. Here they started here. My teddy was looking at me. Hello, he said. Do you want to come to school with me? I asked him. Oh, yes please, he said. You must sit quietly and not disturb the teacher, I told him. Here they gave these words for you, but you can use your own idea also. Here already one paragraph about that is some information about that toy. Can I write now? Yes, I came home from school one day and went to my room. I found my favorite toy. So this is continuation here. What is this continuation? My favorite toy name is, that is actually blank, but here I am writing Barbie. That is your wish. You can write your favorite. That is your toy's name. Barbie. Okay. Doll. Here I have Barbie doll. You have another toy means you can write. And here my father bought for me, okay, bought for my toy, because Barbie that is girls particularly. So your father, my father bought for my toy makeup set, okay, makeup set and dresses and doll house. So a small house for that. A small house for that. To play with her. So do you like your father? Yes, because he bought for you everything to you. So actually this is about your father gave you about that toy. Next, what you did then? You named that Barbie doll. Means I named. What is that? What is your name? You gave one name. That is your wish. But what is there here? Here I named her Betty. What is that? Betty. Full stop dear. Betty after full stop. Next, capital. She is very beautiful because Barbie, it's considered girl. Very beautiful. Okay, and attractive, and attractive. This is about Barbie doll. She has, next, what features she has? She has blue eyes. She has blue eyes and very cute smile. Very cute smile. So, after studies, what you have to do? After studies, what you have to do? Always you are playing with that means, do your parents accept that? No. Then what you have to do? You spend them, no? Spend some time. That is most of the time with the toy only. With her. Okay. Because you're consider, because she has lives. She has life. You already imagine that, no? So how like you are like a friend. You consider that, you concern that like a friend, and you have to be spend most of spending. You have to be spending your most of the time with her only. Okay. Next. Here, one more. When you here, I means you, when I put her on my bed, what did she? She closes her eyes. She closes her eyes. She closes her eyes. So what do? You like your toy, no? So I like her very much. I like her very much. You can conclude this. I like her very much. This. That is the ending sentence. So you can write like this. Here, okay, this is only another one. You can write, even though here gave Teddy. So you can write about that also. Teddy is there. So you can take this help of the phrases and words. You can write your own also. This is about what? Other idea. Is it clear? Yes, dear. Hope you understand. This is about language skills, that is punctuation, and writing part, that is about your favorite toy. Hope you understand. Is it clear to you? We'll continue next class. Thank you.